In an enchanted land called the Mushroom Kingdom lived a princess named Peach. So come inside Peach's castle as we embark on a magical adventure of transformation, showing you how to turn into Peach. Hi guys, it's Kandee and I am so excited for this video today. This might be my new favorite transformation of all time. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how I shaped the wig, the dilemma with the contacts, trying to get those in, and then the final look. I actually went to a costume event, which I never go to things. After I do a transformation, I just like wash it all off. So I'll show you pictures of that at the end. Also, I have to tell you I'm extra honored because Nintendo themselves, Nintendo, reached out to me to make this video.
Hi everybody, hi Kandee, it's me, Mario.
Hey, you are not Mario.
I know, I was trying to trick you. Please leave in the comments how excited you are for this video and who you want the Kandee to turn into next. And make sure you subscribe to Kandee on Instagram, and Twitter, and Facebook, and Snapchat, Twitter, here, YouTube, everywhere.
Thanks, Luigi.
I would like to let you know, this video is so official. It is sponsored and approved by Nintendo. Kandee is approved. The Peach is approved. This brooch. This crown. The background is approved. Even me.
Okay, now get out of here. I gotta go film my video. You can come back later if you want.
Okay, I just spice things up a little bit.
You guys, I feel like this is so legit because Nintendo reached out to me, you guys, and they were like, hey, we're doing this thing with YouTubers and we'd like you to turn into any character of the game. There's like 70 characters in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, but my spirit animal, my Nintendo icon legend, is Peach. Why, you ask? She looks all girly in her fancy dress, but she is tougher than anybody knows. Look at these moves. So get ready to come on a magical transformation video in the Mushroom Kingdom. I'm not gonna have makeup on in 3, 2, 1.
Let's get started. Step 1.
Face makeup. I look crazy right now. Please wait for the rest of the steps.
Step 2.
My most dreaded part of all, the colored contacts.
Kandee is very scared. She don't like the contacts in her eyes.
So the contact is creepy and looks like that, but I'm flipping it inside out. I don't know if this is a thing you can do, but I'm just gonna try it. Oh, it's almost there.
I think we should get your mom to help us.
Can you help me, Mama? And then what?
Look at, then I rest this on here.
Okay, so hold down here and then do this. My nose is in the way. How do I do this?
Yeah, you could try.
That's not gonna work. How did I get these in before?
Okay, good. Look down into it. Look down into it.
Was it in?
Almost had it.
So this isn't working out. This took us about 20 minutes to get this in, and as you can see, every time I blink, it like pushes. I can't see a thing. So we're gonna move on to eye contact. This is so annoying, number 2. I hate this contact.
You should just let your mom put the contacts in your eye.
It's on.
It's in.
I think you did it.
Yes.
What?
There it is.
Just so you know, all of your makeup came off. It came off on your face with all your watering eyes in the contact.
But step 2, we're in step 2 or 3. This is so weird to see myself with blue eyes. But while my eyes are blue, we're gonna go ahead and conceal my eyebrows, and then we're gonna fix up all the makeup I messed up crying off my makeup, getting these contacts in my eyes.
Step 3, the eyebrows.
So we just have to take some rubbing alcohol and clean off the makeup so that we can conceal our eyebrows with the glue.
Step 10. Drawing on the eyelashes.
So this is going to be the most nerve-wracking part. I'm going to draw on her lashes with liquid liner. Just doing a wing liner makes most people nervous. It's gonna make me extra nervous doing a bunch. This is the equivalent of drawing 6 winged eyeliners on each eye.
13 minutes later.
$7.99. Step 85, the eyebrows. Step 200. Step 1000. Are we almost done?
Okay, now that we have our face done, who's ready for the final finishing touches? The wig, the dress, and the accessories. So here's our dress, but we're just going to ignore the fact that the jewel is not centered and it's like glued on. Just pretend it's in the center. Now it's time for the ugly wig cap. So I can't lift my arms any higher than this because of my dress. Okay, we can't really get my arms up because it's on, but here we, okay, this hair is really poking in my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna have to go work on this in the mirror. So we're using an eyebrow razor to try to shape this so these pieces do more of this. And these guys gotta go out to the side more. Then we got these little loopy doops. We're just cutting all this off. That's better. What is this doing? Okay, I think we're good. I gotta cut this off my nose. This is super irritating. Our finishing touch is going to be our crown. So my crown has these little built-in hooks. So we put the pins on here. So we're gonna put our crown in, even though I can't really, oh no! Okay, so we're gonna attach. Perfect. I can't see what I'm doing, but I can feel it. So I feel that I'm sticking that into something. We need one more. Our Princess Peach earrings. Where are my ear holes? Oh my gosh, it's coming together, you guys. And last but not least, our gloves. Who cares if my nails even broke off? We're not even gonna see them. Look at the Princess Peachness, you guys. And ta-da! Here is our finished peach look. You guys, I'm kind of losing my mind. Other than this crooked thing, we don't even care. And never in my life have I ever had somewhere to go after I've done a transformation, but I actually have a costume party to go to tonight, so I'll show you guys some pictures of me actually being out in costume, which I never get to do. So make sure you guys subscribe to see more transformations like this. Comment below who I should transform into next. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all those places. I post fun things all the time. You get sneak peeks of behind the scenes of making these videos. And as always, huge hugs from my house to yours. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!
Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Please leave in the comments how excited.
Okay, I'm not really sure how I'm gonna fit in my car with this skirt. Oh boy.